Welcome to my AdCombo review. In this video, I'll be giving you an in-depth look at AdCombo, a popular affiliate marketing platform. First, let's start with the registration process. When you visit the website, you'll notice that the sign-up page is straightforward. You'll need to create an account with your basic details like name, email, and password. After registering, you'll have access to the dashboard, which is where most of the action happens. On the dashboard, you can find all the essential tools and resources to run affiliate campaigns. AdCombo focuses on both push notifications and offers, so you'll be able to choose from a variety of global campaigns. One of the standout features of AdCombo is its wide selection of offers that cater to various niches, allowing you to target a broad range of audiences. The platform supports both desktop and mobile traffic, which is great if you're looking to diversify your sources. You'll also find an analytics section, where you can track your campaigns and optimize your strategies. It's fairly intuitive, and if you have any experience with affiliate marketing, the data here is easy to interpret. AdCombo provides performance stats like conversion rates, earnings per click, and more. You can filter results by campaign, offer, or country to get more detailed insights into how your traffic is performing. Now, let's talk about the payment system. AdCombo offers multiple payment methods, including PayPal, WebMoney, and bank transfers, which makes it convenient for affiliates from around the world. The minimum payout is relatively low, which is excellent for beginners looking to get started quickly. I have found the payment process to be smooth, and the funds usually arrive on time. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check it out after watching the video. Another thing to note is the customer support. If you run into any issues, AdCombo's support team is responsive and ready to assist you with any questions you might have. You can reach them through live chat or email, and their team is knowledgeable about the platform and affiliate marketing in general. Overall, AdCombo is a solid platform for affiliate marketers of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll find plenty of opportunities to earn. Its user-friendly interface, variety of offers, and reliable payment system make it a great choice for anyone serious about affiliate marketing. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews on affiliate platforms.